Well, yes, maraming nagtatanong kung dahil ako ang majority leader, kung ano ang aking role. We need to remind people, Congress is constitutionally bound to hear these cases for anyone, for any impeachable officer, whether that is the president or not. So, sa mga nagsasabi na baka kaharangin niya yung impeachment or whatever, I cannot do that. And I have to perform my duty as majority leader and perform my duty to the Constitution and my mandate. And, that is to say that I cannot stop any impeachment complaint from being referred to the floor or to any, or to the Committee on Justice. We have to let the process, we have to go through the process rather. And, again, the President in Malacanang has stated that he's confident na wala naman siyang ginawang mali. And I share the same sentiment. So I will not be stopping or blocking any impeachment complaint. To tell you the truth, hindi pa kami nag-usap tungkol dyan.
Sir, at least early sinasabi nila na